I became a doctor because I wanted to do more for my family, for my community, for the people living in places where healthcare is hard to find. My parents built a life from the ground up. They taught me what hard work and sacrifice really mean. At Burrell College, I found more than just a medical education. I found purpose. Hands-on training, mentors who believed in me, and the chance to serve the communities that shaped me.
Dr. Grant.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Today, I'm an emergency medicine physician, right where I always wanted to be, on the front lines in my community, helping those who need it most. At Burrell College, you belong.